everyone, welcome to our first subscription box unboxing. It's actually a bag, but it is the Ipsy Glam bag. This is what the bag looks like. I have to make sure I've got it in focus. This is actually the only time I'm going to be unbagging this on this channel because I have unsubscribed from it. I'm not really interested in getting sample size beauty products anymore because I do get so many subscription boxes, which you'll see more of later on. I don't really see the point in having all of these sample deluxe size things. So I really did like the bag, but because I have full size subscriptions now, I just don't see the point. I am subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus. I do have a referral link down below. I don't make any money off of it, I don't believe, but I do think that it gives me points on Ipsy. I don't know. You can use it, not use it. It's totally up to you. I will also include just how to get to the Ipsy website. So you also get the form. It is, this month's theme is Clean Slate. This is for January of 2020. And so let's go ahead and see. The first thing that I see on here is the Urban June provisions. If you look on this area right here, you'll see the cruelty-free bunny and also the maple leaf, which means it's made in Canada. I've had a couple things come from Canada and have that on there. So, the form says, chapped lips, we got you. This plant-based balm hydrates, nourishes, and protects with a combo of beeswax, hemp, and coconut oils. Peppermint oil gives your lips a fresh, cool feeling with every swipe, and rest assured it's good for you. Only natural and organic ingredients went into this formula. Swipe onto bare lips as needed, or layer under your favorite lipstick for a hint of moisture. It is a full size, and it is worth $10. So that's what it looks like. Okay. The next thing I have is Nomad Cosmetics, collaboration, I guess, with Marrakesh Medina. This is Intense Eyeshadow in Desert Sands. This is what the outside of the box looks like. And we will open it up. You'll see on the back that it has the cruelty-free and vegan bunny on there, which I love. You know, we like on this channel. I did film this once before, but my camera continues to focus in and out, so I'm hoping that it doesn't happen this time as well. This is what the little eyeshadow looks like. It's real cute. This is what the inside looks like. It's a very pretty color, definitely a color I would use. I have swatched this already, so you'll see it on my hand there. Looks a little bit more sparkly and glowy than what it looks like in real life. It's definitely more of an orange in real life. So just a preparation. It says, no time for a winter getaway. Nomad Cosmetic products are inspired by beautiful destinations around the world. The shimmery golden amber is named for the vast sands of the Sahara Desert. Finely milled powder is made with moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for case-proof color. The value of the full-size palette, which this is included in, is $37. The next thing I have is the Lexi Beauty 560 Medium Fan Flawless Brush. It says, if you wear powder highlighter, you 100% need this brush in your life. Unique fanned-out shape is perfect for dusting shimmer on the high points of your face with minimal fallout. And because it's totally vegan and cruelty-free, you won't have any guilt making it a regular in your makeup routine. Yay, awesome! So this is full size. It is $18. Perfect for dusting highlighter onto your collarbones for party looks. So that is really awesome. I emailed Ipsy about if I could request that they have only cruelty-free and vegan products in my subscription bag and my subscription box. They said that that wasn't always possible. If I can put a picture right here of what the response was, I will try to do that. If not, this is my first time, so we will try. The next thing we have is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Save time with this 3-in-1 cleanser packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry. Healthy and gentle formula can be used as a makeup remover, daily wash, or clarifying mask. Coolest part is it starts as a totally unique bouncy gel that builds into deep cleaning bubbles. Value of the full-size version is $34. This is a deluxe sample. I also want to point out that this has a safety seal, which is really awesome for subscription boxes, just so you know that no one's been messed around with it or anything. I do know that this company is cruelty-free. It is not totally vegan, and it is under L'Oreal. It is a L'Oreal. L'Oreal is manufacturing it. The last thing we have is Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door in Blackout. Sorry, it's not focusing very well. It's probably the stuff in my background. Turn up the volume on your lashes with this jet black mascara from Identical Twins Brooklyn & Bailey. That's awesome. A few coats lengthen, separate, and define your lashes for a dramatic, wide-eyed look, and you don't need to worry about this formula smudging or smearing. It does not budge. Wide-eyed effect, wiggle the mascara horizontally through your lashes. Value of the full-size version is $18, and this is a deluxe sample. I don't know if you'll be able to see the bottom. Yeah, that's going to be a little difficult to focus. Oh, there we go. So that's everything that we got. We have the Lash Next Door. We have the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. We have the Luxie Brush, which is kind of iridescent. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's iridescent, and this part is rose gold. It is very soft. I'll take the cover off of it so you can see what the bristles look like. We got the Nomad Desert Sands eyeshadow. And we got the Urban Juve, I think it's Juve, Ayurveda Inspired Wellness Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. So that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching this part of my channel. If you want to follow me, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can see all the videos that I have coming up. That would be awesome. And I am so excited to see what we do with everything that we've learned. Bye!